This is the bench for TrueSense, modified by WaveFab. There's a couple of features to point out on the temperature controllers that Angel, our electrician, will talk about. Go ahead.
Okay, basically we have a bench with a power on-off switch, which is attached to a safety relay, and we have two EMOs, one on the front and one on the back, and they're functional and operational. You can trigger both.
That's the rear EMO right there. Okay, right? Okay.
So those are the things that will shut down the bench. Front EMO, rear EMO, loss of exhaust, front plenum full. There's a float switch right there.
Float switch right in there. Okay.
Rear plenum.
Right there. Okay, right in the corner there. Okay.
And they are all going to a daisy change and a safety relay.
Okay.
Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 heated baths. Each one of them has its own temperature controller and its own redundant high limit temperature controller. They are preset to 70 degrees C. They can be changed by pressing. They have a system. They can be changed by pressing the reset, and hold it and rotate clockwise or counterclockwise to set up the set point.
Okay, right now. Okay.
For example, if you want to change the set point to 80,
oh, you have to press the button.
You have to
All
press
right.
the button, hold it, and clockwise or counterclockwise to the desired temperature.
Okay.
Let's say 75. You release it. It will blink to set the current set point, and it's ready to go.
Okay.
So anytime the user has an overtemp alarm, they need to take a look at this controller right here. That's what causing.
Right, and those are marked so they know which tank it is.
Yeah,
that it's controlling.
Tank 1 is for tank 1, tank 2 for tank 2, tank 5 is the last one over there.
Far
and
right.
Tank 4 is this one that we just included.
Okay, this one, right? That's
right
control.
here.
Right.
There is a slightly difference between the Amerimade controllers and WaveFab controllers. The remote reset is not on here. It's only an indication. On our controllers, we have a remote reset for the high limit, but those can be reset right on the controller itself.
Okay.
The difference is the user doesn't have to open the door to reset this.
Right. It can be reset from the front panel.
It can be reset from the front panel.
But the Amerimade controllers, you need to get into the head case to reset.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now we can see here that we have a carboy. The carboy doesn't have to be in use. We have an adapter for it. You make a little pixel. So if the carboy is not in use, if they want to drain the tanks, they have to plug this adapter in order to drain the tanks.
Okay.
Also make sure that the tanks are not too hot to be drained, and the plumbing carrying the chemical can handle the chemicals being used.
So what's too hot to drain? What's the?
I would say the suggested temperature is 30 degrees C.
30 C.
30 C.
Okay.
Okay. The liquid level on the tank, the graded area, that's the minimum liquid level allowable.
Okay. So okay. It's hard to see.
That's the operational level
right.
Basically, the graded area.
The graded area. Okay.
Yeah. We have two thermocouples. One is for the process. One is for the high limit.
Okay.
Okay. The liquid level tip needs to be at least 1.25 inches deep into the chemical to prevent from failure on the liquid level sensor.
Okay.
Okay.
if they got below that, how would the customer know that?
They will not have no alarm.
They'll have.
And the flow meters. The flow meters need to be set like 0.1 to 0.3. You don't need more than that. That's more than enough.
Okay.
0.2 is more than enough. So
Okay.
that should be. If for some reason you have the tubing inside the chemical and you have the pressure and you still have an alarm, that means you have either a loose fitting or low N2 supply from the facilities. Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Anything else?
And that's pretty much it.
Okay. Thank you, Angel.